10 mistakes most people make when starting a business. According to Bloomberg, 8 out of 10 entrepreneurs who start businesses fail within the first 18 months. Why do businesses fail? Aside from few other reasons, business failure could be as a result of some mistakes from the business owners. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 common mistakes people make when starting a business, and we hope some of these points prepare you to be a better entrepreneur. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Mistake number 1. Believing market research. Towards the end of the 1990s, Dean Kamen conceived a transportation invention to be called Segway. Kamen was so excited about his invention, so much that he believed Segway was going to grow so big and replace the cars as we know it. Kamen's excitement was so huge that great entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs and Jeff Bezos were motivated to invest several millions of dollars into his invention. Kamen had done his market research, and he was bold to predict that the company would soon be producing hundreds of thousands of Segway vehicles after launch. Segway was launched in the early 2000s and nothing happened. The product was not accepted by the market after several millions have been spent on the invention. What is happening here? Why do businesses fail even after carrying out great market research to know what the market wants? Well, here's the truth. Market research isn't the best way to know what people want, because people themselves don't know what they want. As humans, we usually think we are so smart that we know what we want and what we don't. But when it comes to buying something, we usually act based on our emotions, not our brains. So, what's the way out? The best way to know a product that will sell is to observe what people are doing, not what they are saying. One of the greatest entrepreneurs to ever live, Andrew Carnegie, said, "As I grow older, I pay less attention to what men say. I just watch what they do." If you want to launch a successful product, pay attention to what people are doing, not what they are saying. People are likely to buy more of what they are buying now, and they are likely to buy a better version or a modernized version of what they have bought before. Number 2. Working alone. As at the time of making this video, there are about 33 million businesses in the United States. But guess what? 22 million of those businesses have no employee or team. If you understand how business works, you'll not be surprised that most businesses fail. Listen to this. Business is like a war. No one goes to the war front all alone. Individuals don't build businesses. Only a team can. If you want to succeed as an entrepreneur, you must learn how to work or partner with other good minds, because 2 are better than 1. Number 3. Working with friends or family. I've never tried to do business with a family member because I can't see how that will work out. But I've tried to work with some friends before, and that happened to be one of the worst business decisions I've ever made. Because some people understand that they can't do it all alone, they then choose to work with their friends or family members. The problem about doing business with your friends or family members is that this group of people, sooner or later, will start feeling entitled. They will either think that they deserve more share of the company, or they will think they deserve more pay or less work. Business is a serious game. Don't play it with your friends or family members. Number 4. Seeking finance too early. Most people who want to start a business usually think the number 1 problem that they have is money. But that's not true, because when you're just starting a business, there are hundreds of things you don't know and tens of mistakes you're going to make. Those mistakes will not crush you if your investment is not huge, but if you've put in a lot of money, a single mistake can crush your entire business. If you're just starting out in business, Don't dream of having a lot of money. Get started as small as you can so that you can make required mistakes, fail, and still remain in business. Number 5. Not choosing a great business name. I once spent about 3 months thinking about the right business name for one of my businesses. It's that serious. The reason why your business name is very important is because people always judge the book by its title. Napoleon Hill once changed the name of his book without changing a single word from the book. The sales jumped up because of the new name. As small as it may seem, a wrong business name can destroy your business, so take time to be creative with your business name. Number 6. Expecting success quickly. If you get a job today, you'll get paid within the next 30 days. But if you start a business, you may not get any reward in the next 3 months or even 1 year. Unfortunately, most people who start a business usually have high expectations. They want something to happen and they want it very fast. I'm sorry, you have to be patient if you want to build a company. Number 7. Not using the internet to promote their businesses. Even till this morning, most people of the world still don't understand the power of the internet. Several people who have small businesses don't use the internet to promote their businesses. If you have a business in the 21st century and you don't use the internet as a marketing tool, you probably don't have a business. Number 8. Planning only for success. One thing that's very common among entrepreneurs is that most of us are very optimistic. That's understandable, because if you're not optimistic, how on earth are you going to dream of creating something out of nothing? However, this becomes a problem somewhere along the way because you don't have adequate plan for the unexpected. Don't just plan for success, make some plans for failure too. Number 9. Spending more time on little things. One of the most successful entrepreneurs to ever live, Henry Ford, said, "Thinking is the hardest work therein." When it comes to business, there are too many little things that bring no results for the business. Such things should be delegated so you have time for truly meaningful things. Things like thinking, reading, strategizing, and marketing. Number 10. Being emotional. Whether you want to employ people, negotiate a deal, or buy some raw materials, you are facing the temptation to be emotional. Now, imagine what it means to allow your emotion to dictate who you employ. Imagine allowing your emotion to prevent you from firing someone you should. Imagine being emotional when negotiating a deal. As an entrepreneur, you must strive hard to be frank, tough, and if possible, unemotional when making business decisions. Thank you for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.